Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the channel. So a fella went out and done something that he may have, should have not have done, but I went ahead and done it anyways. Let's check it out. First of all, fella had to go buy some box fans because she's hotter than Satan's toenails out here today. You got one here, just letting the air roll in. But here is what we did. Boom. There you go. This is our newest project. I got the 55 Chevy up for sale. And what we have here is a 1965 Ford Falcon 4-door wagon. Guy bought it off of, he was moving, he had to get out of it, get off of it, get whatever you want to get out of it kind of deal. But he's done a lot of work to it. I'll show you that. The main thing here is he put a 4.6 liter 3V, a 3V 4.6 liter V8 out of a Ford Mustang 06, I believe he said. 60,000 miles on the motor. It's got the wiring harness and junk here. You see it's been out of a wrecking yard. All lubricants and junk's been drained out of it. Not quite sure what this is. Got some beat up valve covers. I had to find a valve cover for it. I figured that's what it was, but I wasn't 100% sure. You know, it come out of a wrecked vehicle. You can see there, it's cracked. So hopefully the timing chain set up and junk in here ain't all messed up. That's just kind of a thing that we're gonna have to wonder about. But the next thing is, it's got I don't know if you can see that, a Mustang 2 front clip or front cross member under it with coilovers and stuff. I don't know if you can see that in there or not. Rack and pinion steering, big sway bar. It has the 5-speed transmission in it. He made this crazy looking hump. You probably can't see very much of it. Shifter out of the Mustang right there. The floors in this car is super solid. It originally come from Utah. A little bit right there that he's patched in. The back trunk, the back floor is perfect in it. The doors are good. It's got a little bit of rust right here that he started cutting out. He done patched this piece. Around the roof has a few small little bitty holes like that. Nothing major, nothing hard to work with. You can see here the trailer has Mopar on it because I borrowed this trailer off my buddy because I still have the R-code fastback on our trailer and had no way of getting it off in time to go get this car because this guy's moving. He mini tubbed it, as you can see here, which is pretty cool. Inside this is the 4.6 liter 3V Ford Racing wiring harness and computer. There's a new disc brake for the rear. It's disc brakes all the way around the car, which is pretty sweet. It's just got these old little rollers on it. Gas lid. Check this custom gas lid out that the guy made. If you know a little bit about Falcons, they had like a little screw-in deal here, and he custom made that, which is pretty sweet. I got all the glass and all the junk in the bed of the truck. Glass is in the truck, but all this junk is the back seats and side windows and whatnot. The only thing I ain't got for the car is the front fender's hood. I got the grill, got the rear bumper. I don't have a front bumper. But let's get up under here and see if you can see any of this crap. It's got coilovers on it, 4-link rear suspension, Ford 9-inch. She's trick. It's pretty awesome. Pretty daggum awesome. It's got a little rust right there. Nothing major, nothing hard to fix. He's put this lower quarter on the car. I don't know if it come off a wagon. I don't know if a wagon and regular 2-door Falcon, probably not. Probably ain't got the same longness there. I don't know what I'm trying to say. The doors are just stuck on there. They're not bolted on. You can see my straps holding them in. Pretty sweet. Good dash. Got a little bit of crap here. Nothing hard, nothing bad to fix. Front frame rails look good. Floors are good. Front frame rails, I believe, are the same as a regular Mustang. VIN number stamped up here, VIN number on the door. He had to cut a little bit of the cowl right here, just little pieces of it. I don't know why, but he did. You can see the transmission is not bolted up all the way, but hopefully the block and junk is good in the car. You could see that it had the valve cover beat up on it there where it was in a wrecked Mustang. I'm assuming it's a Mustang GT motor. If anybody knows, drop it down in the comments and let me know. But we're getting ready to unload this pig and put it in my garage for right now. I'm gonna take the Camaro over there to my dad's house, get it out of the way. This trunk or tailgate is just a skin. I got the other part of it in the bed of my truck. I just stuck this up here for the video because that's what a guy does. He said he put the battery, we'll go over in the spare tire well over there. He has it all wired up for the battery over there or some junk. One thing I don't like he did is he cut this drip rail off right here on this side. Said he was going to shave the rest of it all off. I'm going to try my best to find this piece. So if any of you guys are watching has a 64.5, I guess it's the same, Falcon Wagon, be sure to let me know if you have a piece like that for sale, or just that section of roof right there. I would be very, very interested in it, and maybe some other parts too if you're real close to me. Might can drive up, but Falcon Wagon, boys, that is what I'm talking about. Hopefully I ain't gonna be doing like I normally do on cars and just fart around with them for a little bit and then sell them. That's normally my forte or routine, as you should say. Trying to sell the 55 Chevy right now. It's one of my dream cars, I know, but a wagon is just awesome. I know a 55 Chevy is probably be worth more than this car, but this car's got a lot more done to it, and it will be a lot easier to fix than that 55 was. Still got the Mustangs, still got the one back there. Focus, baby. Still got this one back here, and still got the R code Mustang. But I want to give a huge shout out. I don't know if Michael watches this, but Michael, thank you so much for letting me use your trailer. He let me use his straps, the winch on the front of this thing. He is an awesome, awesome dude. We went to school together, and one of my buddies, one of the few buddies that I still talk to, one of three maybe out of high school. But there it is, guys. I don't know if the factory hood will fit on that thing because she's sticking up pretty high, but he's done some trick stuff to it. Hopefully we'll get some of the parts back together on it, and my wife won't kill me when she sees it because she thinks it's a piece of junk. But that's just how it goes. We're gonna sit here and try to unload this thing by ourselves and try not to burn up because it is so hot here in Kentucky. And by the time you watch this, it'll probably be freaking winter time. But right now it is July the 19th or something like that, and it is hot. Let me tell you. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like what you see, hopefully you'll see some more of this stuff. Drop down in the comments, let me know what you think of it. If you have some parts for it, if you're close, let me know also. We love each and every one of you guys. Drop down and hit that subscribe button if you want to. Follow me on Instagram at SketchyDGarage. We love you, and we'll see you on the next video.